Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time I didn't upload any video tutorials, so first of all, sorry from my side. I was actually very busy in my projects and some other stuff. But now I will make tutorials, and in future, lots of videos will be published. I am also working on the playlist, which is the month track from scratch, and it will be published soon. So this is the demo video for our project that we will build. The complete video of this project will be uploaded in this week, so make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification for future videos. So let me just show you the beautiful modern pet website that will make using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So in header we have a nice sticky nav bar. When we scroll down, the nav bar stick at the top, then we have an intro section in which we have some heading and icons, and on the right side we have some nice picture. After that we have a pet food section, then we have the about us section and the nice smooth scrolling effect, and on the about section we have nice picture of sleeping cat, and on the right side we have nice heading and text paragraph. Then we have an award winning section. After that we have the services section with some nice over effect. Then we have the happy section. So after that we have the pricing plan section. So we will build this beautiful website. Then we have the nice our team section with some nice social icons. Then we have check-in time section, and when we click on book now we will move on the contact us section. So above we have the code section and the doc at different section. So we will build this beautiful website and lot of things will be covered. So we have a nice contact us form. So when we hover on the input field we have nice shadow effect, and when we click on this the effect remains there. And after that we have a nice footer section in which we have some icons about us, some quick links and email newsletter. So we will build this website, and the website is completely responsive. So let me just show you. The website looks on good on mobile devices, also on iPad devices, iPhone devices. So this is the complete overview of the project that we will build, and the complete video of the project will be uploaded in this week. So make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will never miss any future videos. So we will build this website, and I will also upload the tutorials on month track. I am working on that, and it will be also uploaded soon. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.